I'm Dr. Nerita, a urologist with 12 years of experience. I call water one of the most underrated performance enhancers in the world. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how dehydration silently sabotages your performance and the simple, two-part strategy to drink water in a way that supports strong, lasting erections after 50. Ready to swap out sluggishness for hydraulic power? Hit that like button right now and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? An erection is fundamentally a hydraulic event. Just like a garden hose needs strong, steady water pressure to work, your erectile tissue needs a powerful flow of blood to fill it, expand it, and keep it firm. Here's the key point. Your blood is mostly water. The dehydration domino effect. When you are mildly dehydrated, which many of us are without realizing it, a domino effect begins that directly compromises performance. Blood volume drops. Without enough water, your overall blood volume decreases. Circulation slows. Sluggish blood. Reduced volume makes your blood thicker, like trying to push syrup instead of water through a straw. Thicker, sluggish blood has a harder time traveling quickly through your arteries, especially the smaller, finer vessels that supply the penis. Survival mode kicks in. Your body shifts into conservation mode, prioritizing the brain, heart, and vital organs. In this hierarchy of survival, the penis, the hydraulic system for intimacy, does not make the priority list. Pressure is compromised. That perfect, powerful pressure needed for a full, strong erection is simply unavailable. Practically, men who are even mildly dehydrated often describe their erections as weaker, slower to build, or quick to fade. Your body literally cannot send enough fluid to sustain the firmness. Biologically, this is exacerbated after 50, as blood vessels tend to be less flexible. If your arteries are already slightly stiff, the last thing you need is sluggish, sticky blood trying to push its way through them. Emotionally, it's deeply frustrating and often misinterpreted as a hormone problem or a mental block. Realizing the issue is as basic as insufficient fluid can restore confidence, knowing you can easily fix the plumbing. In my 12 years working with men over 50, I've seen that performance issues often stem from overlooked basics. You can have perfect testosterone, but if your plumbing system, circulation, isn't properly pressurized, nothing works right. The solution isn't just more water, it's smarter water. The two mistakes that sabotage hydration. Most men don't just underdrink, they drink the wrong way. The panic chug, water loading. Rapidly drinking large amounts of water, especially before intimacy, hoping to flood the system. This can dilute essential sodium too quickly, hyponatremia, making you feel bloated, causing headaches, and forcing your bladder to work overtime, distracting you with the urge to urinate exactly when you don't want to be. The desert and flood cycle, going for hours without drinking, letting yourself dry out, and then trying to make up for it all at once in the evening. Your body thrives on consistency. This cycling stresses your kidneys and keeps your entire system swinging from one extreme to another. Remember, thirst is a lagging indicator. If you're waiting until you feel thirsty, your blood flow has already slowed and your erectile tissue is operating at less than full capacity. The solution is simple, effective, and free. It's about creating a consistent rhythm to ensure your blood volume is always optimal. Part 2, the morning power flush, priming the pump. The action. Start your morning with a tall glass of water, 300 to 400 milliliters, within 20 minutes of waking up. The biological explanation, rehydration, and toxin clearing. You've been breathing, sweating, and filtering waste for 7 to 8 hours without a drop of fluid. You wake up dehydrated. That morning glass acts like the first flush, rehydrating your cells and signaling your kidneys to efficiently clear out toxins built up overnight. This is priming the pump for all-day circulation. The power upgrade. Make that morning glass even better for vascular health by adding a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt and the juice of half a fresh lemon. The salt restores electrolytes essential for nerve and muscle function, and the vitamin C in the lemon is a potent antioxidant that protects nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Protecting NO means stronger, longer-lasting erections. Part 1. The steady drip, consistent pressure. The action. Instead of panic chugging, aim to sip smaller amounts, roughly half a glass every 45 to 60 minutes throughout the day. The biological explanation, optimal blood volume. This steady drip keeps your blood volume optimal, preventing the sluggishness that comes with mild dehydration. It allows your cardiovascular system to function at its best, ensuring that blood, the hydraulic fluid, is thin enough to travel quickly to the pelvic region. Well-hydrated muscles, including your pelvic floor, critical for sustaining firmness and climax, perform better and recover faster. The hormonal and nerve boost. Proper hydration supports kidney and adrenal gland function, which is essential for testosterone production. Dehydration stresses these glands, leading to higher cortisol, the stress hormone, which suppresses T. Hydration also ensures the fluid around your nerve cells is balanced, which means the electrical signals for arousal travel quickly and without distortion. The difference between a smooth, high-speed connection and a buffering video. To make this practical, especially around intimacy, use the performance hour rule. The rule: if you anticipate intimacy in the evening, keep up your steady sipping, but stop drinking large amounts of fluid about 45 minutes before. This ensures you have the benefits of hydrated blood vessels and responsive muscles, but you won't be distracted by the awkward pressure of a full bladder when things get intimate. Quick check. Are you drinking enough? Most men ignore these red flags, mistaking them for general aging. Urine color. If it's consistently a darker yellow, your body needs more fluids. Aim for pale straw yellow. The mid-afternoon slump. That heavy, sluggish feeling where your eyelids start to droop. Often, it's just your body trying to conserve resources because blood volume is slightly reduced. Nighttime cramps. Cramps in the calves or thighs are frequently linked to both dehydration and low electrolytes. Gentlemen, you've been carrying your body through life for decades. It's time to start fueling it properly. You don't need expensive fixes. You need consistency in the basics. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s transform their intimacy and energy levels just by mastering hydration. This is not just about erections, it's about vitality. It's about feeling confident and capable. When you hydrate consistently, you're laying the groundwork for better circulation, stronger erections, and higher natural testosterone. This one change costs nothing, has no side effects, and benefits your whole body. Stop letting your body run its most important hydraulic system with half-empty pipes. You are still capable, and your body is still responsive. Your next steps for immediate results. Morning commitment. Tomorrow, start your day with that tall glass of water, lemon, and a pinch of salt. Set a timer. Set a recurring timer on your phone for every 50 minutes to remind yourself to take a steady sip. Subscribe for mastery. Hit that subscribe button because your best years can still be ahead of you, and it starts with caring for the basics.